2021 Nissan X-Trail. Before we start, please subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell, so that you will be notified for the new video upload. The new generation Nissan crossover is sold only in North America, where the model is called Rogue. The Nissan X-Trail is a compact crossover SUV produced by the Japanese automaker Nissan since 2000. It was one of Nissan's first crossover SUV, and was released about the same time as several other companies, competing car-based crossovers. At its introduction, the X-Trail is positioned below the truck-based Xterra and Pathfinder. Externally, Nissan X-Trail repeated the American brother, the only difference is in the details. So mountings for the license plate appeared in front, the rear bumper and lights were slightly retouched, plus the X-Trail inscription flaunts on the tailgate instead of Rogue. As in the States, the crossover will be offered with a two-tone body paint. The salon is also, most likely, the same as that of the American, well, except that in China the crossover could get a larger floating touchscreen of the multimedia system. The Rogue arsenal also includes a virtual tidy, a head-up display, 3-zone climate control and a complex of safety systems. Safety Shield 360, all this stuff is likely to be in the X-Trail. The new SUV is based on a new version of the CMF-C/D platform. With the change of generations, the American Nissan Rogue has become a little shorter length, 4,648 mm, instead of 4,686 mm, and lower height 1,689 mm, against 1,727 mm, but the width 1,839 mm, and wheelbase 2,705 mm have not changed. The VC turbo nameplate can be seen at the stern of the Celestial version, that is, the crossover received a turbo engine with a variable compression ratio, like the Infiniti models. Some media predict a 1.5-liter engine for the novelty, others write about a 2-liter engine. American Nissan Rogue is equipped with 184 horsepower aspirated 2.5-liter with direct injection, which works in tandem with the Variator, front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Nissan itself has not yet announced the premiere of the new X-Trail. Meanwhile, the Shanghai Motor Show will open in April. It is quite possible that a local crossover will be presented there. By the end of this year, they should open the cross for other countries. But in other countries, the new generation Nissan X-Trail is unlikely to appear in late 2021. What do you think of 2021 Nissan X-Trail? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.